Hello friends, this is Nutritionist Divya. I hope you're fit, healthy and doing very well at this moment of time, right? Today I want to share few insights on top 5 trends in immunity boosting diet to follow during COVID-19. We all are surrounded by this virus. We are really taking care of our own immunity and overall health. And we know there are so many foods which help us in boosting immunity. So today I will be sharing top 5 tips which you really need to follow in your daily routine. You really need to share it with your friends, family and anybody for whom you do care and you want them to be healthy. So first trend or first important principle what we need to follow during this immunity era is to have low carb diets. See, basically having low carb diet will come with many health benefits. Few health benefits which doctors and other experts are claiming, those are like your sugars will be managed, your weight will be controlled, right? And we all know that if you have diabetes or if you are overweight, then this is going to affect your overall health and immunity as well, right? So please focus on low carb diet, wherein in Indian diet carbs majorly come from your rice, white rice, roti, poha, bread, pasta. So we need to cut down it. How much to have this? That will completely depend on your health goals, right? But first step will be to cut down on carbs. Second step is to keep yourself hydrated. Yes, water is magical nutrient. Keeping yourself hydrated will help you in many ways. First of all, water helps you in detoxification, so it will help you in flushing out if at all any infection you have, or if at all you have any unwanted thing inside the body. Secondly, due to dehydration, you start getting headache, you start getting low energy levels, not able to concentrate in work, and overall health is affected. So to avoid all those side effects, you really need to take care of your daily water intake. So I would simply say that you need to have at least 2.5 to 3 liter water on daily basis. This is on average. If you are an athlete or if you have specific water requirement, then that will be completely different thing. Third thing, what we need to focus during this immunity era, as I said, is to have more fresh fruits and vegetables and whole plant-based foods, right? So having whole foods, we all know that really helps, but unknowingly somewhere our daily life is surrounded by processed food. So processed food like namkeen, biscuits, bread and everything which is prepared with refined flour, right? So please take it off from your routine and add up more fresh fruits, more whole grains like dalia, brown rice, like millets, fruits and vegetables which we can have it with the skin on. This is going to boost our overall health and immunity. Why? Because this fiber content also has some minerals like selenium, zinc, which are really important for our day-to-day immunity. Fifth thing what we need to keep in mind is we need to add up healthy fats in our daily life, right? So adding up healthy fat, what I mean here is, if you are non-vegetarian, then you can simply try to have fish 2 times in a week. But if that is not possible, then try to switch to healthy vegetarian fat sources, which come from all oil seeds or nuts like chia seed, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed or almond, walnut, cashew nuts. These all things have omega-3 and omega-6, right? So this omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, again, they have important role to play in improving our immunity. So that's it for today. I hope these 5 steps are really going to help you in boosting your immunity. Do listen to this once again and try to follow this 5 steps. Share with your friends and family. Now, if you want to take your health really to next level and improve your immunity, I would really like to invite you to my inner circle or to my premium membership, where we will be sitting together and discussing more about it. If you need more details on this, do drop me a message here, or you can connect with me on Instagram. My Insta handle is nutritionist_Divya, and would really love connecting with you. So I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.